Assalamu alaikum and dear students, my name is Edi Sagar. I am your physics teacher. I welcome to all my students at UPSEX online support program. Unit number is 5 and this is my lecture for class 9th week 4 and lecture number is 2. The contents of my today topic are numerical problems, problem number 5.9 and 5.10. First of all, I discuss the problem 5.9. A polar satellite is launched at 850 km above Earth and find its orbital speed. As a polar satellite is launched at 850 km above the Earth, this is the height of the satellite from the surface of the Earth. That's why it is written as h is equal to 850 km. Now we write it into scientific notation. Point is shifted from the left side to the from right side to the left side, and it cross 2 digits. That's why it will become 10 raised to power plus 2, and kilo is replaced by 10 raised to power 3. That's why power will become 10 raised to power 3 plus 2 will be 10 raised to power 5. Now height will be is equal to 8.50. Then find the orbital speed v is equal to question mark. And now we apply the formula for to find the orbital speed. V is equal to root gm over r plus h whole root. And as value of g is 6.673 multiple 10 raised to power minus 11, and value of m is mass, the m is the mass of earth, that is 6 multiple 10 raised to power 24, and value of r is the radius of the earth, that is 6.4 multiple 10 raised to power 6 plus, and height is 8.50 multiple 10 raised to power 5. Next we multiply the 6.673 multiple 6, that will become 40.038, and then at the denominator we take the 10 raised to power 5 as a common, and it will become 6.4 multiple 10 raised to power 1. 10 raised to power 1 mean 10. It will be multiplied with the 6.4 and 8.5 will be added in it, and it will become 72.5. We take the common base, that is 10, and 5 is shifted to the numerator, and its sign will become negative, and it will become, when we divide 40.038 divided by 72.5, then answer will be 0.5522, and by taking the common base, that will become 10 raised to power 13 minus 5, it will be 10 raised to power 8, as shown in the figure. As shown in it, 0.5522 multiple 10 raised to power 8. After taking root, the value will be 7431 meter second inverse. Next numerical problem is 5.10. A communication satellite launched at 42,000 km above the earth, find its orbital speed. This problem 5.10 is also similar like a 5.9. as height is given, that is equal to 42,000 km, kilo is replaced by 10 raised to power 3, and point is shifted from from right to the left, and when it cross 3 digits, then it will become 10 raised to power plus 3, as 10 raised to power plus 3 is already exist, and it will become 10 raised to power 6. H is equal to 42 multiple 10 raised to power 6, and here we find the orbital speed v is equal to question mark. Now again similar formula is written. V is equal to root gm over r plus h. G is the gravitational constant, its value is 6.673 multiple 10 raised to power minus 11, while capital M is stand for mass of the earth, that is 6 multiple 10 raised to power 24, and r is the radius of earth, that is constant, also constant value. 6.4 multiplied 10 raised to power 6 plus height is 42 multiplied 10 raised to power 6. And then after calculations it will become 40.038 divided by 48.4 multiplied 10 raised to power 6 by taking the common base. 10 raised to power 7 is shifted, as point is shifted from right to left side, it crosses the one digit and it will become 4.84. And it will be 1 will be added on the power of 10 and it will become 10 raised to power 7. By dividing 40.038 by 4.84, the answer will be 8.2723 multiplied 10 raised to power 13, and 7 plus 7 is shifted on the top side or numerator, base of the numerator, and it will become minus 7. After taking root, it will become 2.876 multiplied 10 raised to power 3. 10 raised to power 3 means 1000 when it is multiplied by 2.876, then the answer will be 2876 meter.